Have you ever walked into a restaurant, looked at the menu, and completely blanked on how to order your favorite food in English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we are going to master fast food vocabulary. By the end of this video, you will know the exact names of over 30 delicious items, so you can order like a native speaker. Let's get hungry and jump right in. Burger, cheeseburger, bacon burger, chicken sandwich, fish sandwich, French fries, chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, chicken wings, barbecue sauce, pizza, pizza slice, breakfast burrito, taco, burrito, quesadilla, breakfast sandwich, pancakes, hash brown, breakfast bowl, hot dog, chili cheese dog, corn dog, Philly cheesesteak, onion rings, salad, Caesar salad, cookie, brownie, soft serve cone, milkshake, sundae, smoothie, fountain drink, coffee. Do you remember what these 2 items are called? Drop your answers in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English vocabulary lessons. See you in the next one.